What's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own Arduino on a breadboard. So first of all, let's have a look on the ATmega 328P dip package pinout. Well, as you've just seen, we have pin number 7 is going to be connected together with pin 20 to the 5 volts, and pin 8 together with pin 22 are going to be connected to the ground. Pin number 10 and pin number 9 are going to be connected together via a 16 megahertz crystal, and pin number 9 is going to be connected to the ground via 22 picofarad capacitor, and pin number 10 is going to be connected to the ground as well via 22 picofarad capacitor. And pin number 1, which is the reset pin, is going to be connected to the 5 volts with, via a 10K pull-up resistor. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we'll be connecting pin number 7 to pin number 20. So pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to pin number 20, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And pin 20 is going to be connected to the 5 volts rail, and we are going to connect pin number 8 to pin number 22, which is this pin, and we're going to connect pin number 22 to the ground rail. Now we're going to connect our crystal, which is a 16 megahertz crystal, between pins number 9 and 10, which are these two pins here. And we're going to connect each of them to the ground via a 22 picofarads capacitor. Here we go. And finally, I'm going to connect the reset pin, which is pin number 1, to the 5 volts via the 10K resistor. Okay, so I have the blank program installed already on this chip, so I'm gonna test it with LED. So I'm gonna connect the 5 volts rail and the ground rail, and I'll be testing using this LED, this blue one. So this is gonna be connected to digital pin 13, which is pin 19 on this chip. Okay, I'm gonna connect my power source now. And as you can see, everything is working fine. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Thanks a lot for watching.